What's up guys, check out these LED safety bracelets. So these are some nice safety bracelets that you can use when you go running outside or walking outside, especially at nighttime. And that way the cars that are on the road will see you, so you're not gonna get hit. So it's really good for safety. Even riding a bike, you could use this too. They have 2 USB ports that come with it so that you could charge them up, so they're rechargeable. You don't have to replace batteries. But they are long-lasting charges, so you don't have to charge them all the time. And to use these, it's very simple. You could just slap them right on your wrist like that, or on your ankles if you want, wherever you want them. They just kind of slap on and curl on. You don't have to do the slap, you could just curl them on. And then to turn them on, you just press the power button that's right here. And you could see there's different modes. It's a kind of highlight green flashing light. And then you could change the speed of it so it doesn't flash as fast, or you could just have a solid highlight green light so that it's not flashing. So whatever you prefer. And we're gonna go ahead and try this out while we're running outside at night, and we'll show you guys when we get there.